Step into the 2006 Jeep Commander Limited. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include mirror memory, power mirror, privacy glass, driver illuminated vanity mirror, 4-wheel disc brakes, 4-wheel drive, leather seats, and rear parking aid. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.